Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Sarah, I have a question for you. Do you remember the first time you spoke English to a real stranger?
A real stranger. Yes, I remember. It was at an airport.
And what happened?
I was very nervous. I said hello, and the person smiled and said hello back.
Yes, today we are talking about meeting new people, how to introduce yourself in English. We will talk about what to say when you meet someone for the first time, at the airport, at a party, at work, anywhere.
These are sentences you will use in real life.
Real English for real moments. And before we start, if you are enjoying Snack English, please subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. It really helps us.
Yes, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English with more confidence. This episode is perfect for that.
And if you are here with us right now, comment hello. Let us know you are listening.
Okay, Adam, let's start. When you meet someone new, what is the very first thing you say?
The very first thing is a greeting. You say hello, or hi, or good morning. Something simple to start.
Yes, and in English, there are many ways to greet someone, but the most common one is just hello.
Or hi. Hi is a little more casual.
Right. Hello is a little more formal.
After hello, you introduce yourself. You say your name.
For example, hi, I'm Sarah. Or, hello, my name is Sarah.
Both are correct. I'm Sarah is very natural in conversation. My name is Sarah is a little more formal.
And then, what do you say next?
Then you say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That is the magic phrase.
And the other person usually says, nice to meet you too, or it's nice to meet you.
So, the basic introduction goes like this. Hello, I'm Adam. Nice to meet you.
And the other person says, hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Simple, clear, and very natural.
And after the introduction, you usually ask a question. You ask, where are you from? Or what do you do?
These are very common questions when you meet someone new.
Let's practice them.
Where are you from? To ask about their country or city.
What do you do? To ask about their job.
What brings you here? To ask why they are in this place.
These are all natural conversation starters.
People love when you ask them questions. It feels warm. It feels friendly.
Exactly. Okay, Sarah, let's talk about different places where you might meet someone new. The first one is the airport.
Oh yes, the airport is a great place to meet new people. You're waiting for your flight and you start talking to the person next to you.
What do you usually say in that situation?
I usually say something about the situation, like, is this your first time in this city? Or, where are you flying to?
I love that. Is this your first time here? That is a great opener.
And people almost always answer because they are also a little bored. They are also waiting.
That is so true. The airport is full of bored people who want to talk.
Okay, what about work? Meeting someone new at work.
At work, the introduction is a little more formal. You might say, hi, I'm Adam. I'm the new manager.
Or, hi, I just started here. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
And your new colleague might say, oh, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I'm name.
Yes, and at work, you often add your job title. I'm Adam, I'm the new manager. Or, I'm Sarah, I work in the marketing team.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together now. I will ask some questions. Sarah, you answer, and everyone listening, you can say the answers too, out loud if you want.
Yes, practice with us. Ready, Adam?
Great. Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from Cairo. I was born there and I grew up there.
Nice. And what do you do?
I work as an English teacher. I love my job.
Is this your first time at this conference?
No, it is not my first time. I came last year too.
And how do you know the host of this event?
I met her at a training course 2 years ago. We became friends after that.
Great answers. Very natural.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone.
Today we talked about meeting new people and introducing yourself in English. We learned how to ask questions.
We practiced introductions in different places. Don't be afraid to say hello.
And if you make a mistake, just smile and keep going. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Every episode is a small snack of English. Easy to listen to, easy to remember, and delicious.
Delicious English. I love that.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.